Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So the first thing you're gonna do is insert a rounded corner rectangle and make it fully rounded. And then you have to move it out of the template and increase its width, of course. And the next thing you're gonna do is place a rectangle and subtract the outer and unwanted part of this shape and change its color to white. Go to shadow and give it the white side shadow, and you can also increase the distance if you want. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D and duplicate it again and use the rectangle again to subtract the outer part. First select the rounded corner rectangle and then the plain rectangle to subtract the outer part. So this looks perfect. Insert a text box and increase its size and insert your text. Align it into the middle and go to format shape and text options and go to gradient fill and give it a gradient and duplicate it and change the text. Select both of them and group them and increase their size, and you have to adjust them by increasing their sizes. Here you go. Now put them into the center and the middle of the template. Here you go. Close the format shape panel. Insert a small checkbox right below it to give the credits to the creator who made this template. So right now I'm gonna make this template, so I'll just give the credits to myself. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. Next, insert a rectangle and change its color to white and give it a shadow of all of the sides. Next, you have to add your text in it. Here you go. Now insert a new slide and you have to insert this freeform shape like this. You have to make it something like this. Wait, this is just wrong. Let me just recreate it. This one is also wrong. So this is a really difficult step. So let me just try it several times. So this one is perfect. And I'll connect it to the part where you started to make it a full shape. And to remove the side parts that are not plain, let's just subtract them out of the template. Here you go. Next, go to format shape and insert a picture. Duplicate that shape and give it a gradient or a color that you want and increase its transparency. Close the format shape and insert your text and everything that you want to use in this template. Next, insert a new template in which you're gonna insert a rhombus shape like this. And remove its outline, go to format shape and give it a gradient. And change the direction of the gradient. Next, duplicate it and decrease its size and insert an image in it. Let's just increase its width and height. Duplicate it again and you can also insert a new picture in this one. Next, you're gonna paste your text. So now let's go to next slide and insert a new slide in which we're gonna insert an image. Let's just use the image from online images. So I'm gonna use this building image. Insert the image and put it onto the left side of the template and crop it to adjust its size. Close the format picture panel, and the next thing you're going to do is insert a rounded corner rectangle and go give it a gradient from format shape and duplicate it and give the duplicated rectangle a gray color and then send it to the back. Select both the shapes and duplicate them again by pressing Ctrl plus D and insert your text and everything, title, header, and content text that you want to use in it. So right now I'm just gonna use sample text for now. And here you go. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. And you can also check out my latest new videos for more amazing templates like this. Go to a new template and insert a world's map. So this is the world map that I have taken from mapsvg.com. You can download it from there for free. Let's add some text and change this color to gray. And insert a new slide in which we're gonna insert our triangle shape. This one, flip it horizontally and insert an image in it from format shape. And for the other stuff, let me just copy and paste it because I want it to be quick. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. And next, you're gonna insert a circle into a new slide and go to format shape and give it a gradient color. Duplicate it and give that circle a picture fill. The next thing you're gonna do is put it into the center and select both of them and then adjust them and insert your text and other content that you want to use in it. Insert a new slide in which you're gonna wait, let me just do it. Insert a rounded corner rectangle like this. Insert an image in it and duplicate it and change its color and give that one a transparency and duplicate it again about 2 times and send it to the back. Next, insert your text in that template and insert a new slide in which you're gonna first of all, what you have to do is insert a rhombus shape like this, and then you're gonna remove a sunlight and give it a picture fill and duplicate it and give that solid fill and change its color to any color you want and increase its transparency. There you go. Now insert your content text and anything that you want to insert in it right here. So that was all for today in this video, and if you want the full tutorial and you can just comment down, and if you want this template you can check out the link in the description below, and you can also check out the slideshow video that I have given in the last screen.